Okay, welcome to Charts on Demand, where you request a chart and we're going to post it. So right now we're going to be looking at Dogecoin. We're looking at the daily chart at first. As you can see, the TradeSnyper has flipped blue on the daily. The last time it flipped blue like this, we got a 4 to 5 day correction, and the price plummeted around 65%. Now, if you take that same exact percentage and place it up at the top of this candle here, at the top of the run-up of Doge, it's already fallen about 40%. So if we need to fall another 60% or so to put it right around, we could estimate right around 30, 31 cents, and that would indicate a possible buy. As we flip over to the daily, we could see that it's green and it's been pumped a little bit since the fall happened, but at the end of the day, it's very troublesome since there's some major resistance right here. What I see here is a potential, it could be a potential descending triangle where it hits here, and then tries to go up and it gets rejected and ends up falling through the bottom of the triangle, but we will see. The 4-hour chart is really good for measuring this. Now, if we get a parabolic SAR, which is this icon right here, underneath the candle, what could happen is it could push it up through this resistance and Dogecoin could go on another run. But what's first going to have to do is get through this resistance right here, as we're still green and not yet flipped to hyper green, so we have not indicated a pump just yet. As we go ahead and look at the lower level time frames, here's the hourly chart. We noticed that there was a fake rally over here. It looked like a rally that it was going to break out, and it didn't. And then it fell into this sort of weird-looking Dogecoin channel of doom, and we have identified that. Now, once it broke out of this channel, it did get a little bit of a pump, but as you can see on the TradeSnyper indicator, it's blue. And when that indicator flips blue, when the TradeSnyper flips blue, usually indicates the end of a rally, as it does here. And what we could see next, if it does end this rally, is a potential another sell-off. Now, what I see with this candle is you could draw a line here as some sort of support. And if it was to break this line here, which it looks like it might be, that could be a problem. And here's the top. So it looks like one of these wedges here. Now it is forming somewhat of a bull flag, which could potentially drive the price upwards. But at the end of the day, if it does not break this area, we're looking at a potential fall for deeper losses. One last chart, we're going to take a look at the 15-minute. Now you can see here as a 15-minute TradeSnyper pumped a little bit here. It turned green from the red, and we got a little bit of a pump. It flipped blue, and then there's the sell-off, and now it's hyper green again. But as you can see, there's not much of a pump coming from it. So it's going to need a little bit more fuel, I believe, to get out of this danger zone that we're in. One last thing, we're going to take a look at the weekly chart of Doge. This is a little messy, but as you can see, it's just pumped up beyond all belief. Don't worry about the drawings here. They don't make sense on the weekly, but it's just pumped up beyond all belief. And I strongly believe that if this flips to red, as it does here from blue to red, we could see additional days of selling, and it could be really bad for Doge. If not, then we're looking at another pump, and we could go up again. But at the end of the day, like I said, if some of my indicators are flipping different colors, if this flips from blue to red here and we get a little sell-off, there's just no support. It's like a wild west, and it could dump fast. So this concludes Charts on Demand for Dogecoin. We're going to keep you guys updated, and be sure to tune in and follow along. Be sure to request any chart. We have a lot of charts that we want to show you, and we'll go through them. We're going to analyze the parabolic SARs and the TradeSnyper and show you how it works as well. So definitely stay tuned, and good luck.